Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
What's up, guys? Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on your location. Depends on your location. Drop your comment below, and God bless everybody watching. Our former commissioner, Mr. Commissioner Eru, he don't want to tell the Nigerians and the Edo in particular the reason why they hold on for abroad. The people, when they say they're jail for 120 years, they go need to submit their name because it's say na Torino prison for see them. He say na Torino prison na for see them. Ain't go drop the name. Who will go give lawyer? Then the lawyer will go confirm them for inside prison. You know if he just come out, my brother, if slippers don't cut, he don't cut. You know if he come out, you won't go use other level. They arrange your name. Now this country, now in Nigeria, for Busha white girl put for inside bag. Wait till you say me they call that one. That one they don't call that one mafia. Okay, when I think say good evening. You think say na Nigeria when person you keep person for Benin go run go Asaba. They know if you catch him again. No. My brother, as far as say you don't make call, that call where you make, the person where you make the call go meet. He must answer query. So I just want to use this medium to tell Nigerians and Edo. Person like that former commissioner, he supposed first day say for Benin, they're going to ask him what he make him enter prison. We know say for the country, now also Obasanjo come out of prison, became a president. We know say na ex-convict. Then they become president for that country or governor. But what we just need to tell ourselves is, man, you know, if you can use that level, I hear say they go do protest today. Okay, thanks. Done. So you come out for prison, even the prison says some people they say na house arrest, now you for come out. If you want do rally, say you want do rally for Italian embassy, come Spain, come Germany, come France, come Italy, come Douane. Not be say after everything your boss you can't call, you can't give you money. Then you can't share the money with some set of people. With the prison, we know the whole prison where they Torino. Send the prison location, the name of those people that you said they are been jailed for 120 years. Send the name and let's take the name to lawyer. We'll take the name, go give lawyer. If we still did the lawyer office, we'll call Nigerians, go see us, we'll do the office, we'll go call. We'll give the lawyer the paper. Say so and so name, papers go find them for so and so prison. Go, come tell us as he go. Now be say you go Nigeria, you won't go the why you not come Italy for Nigeria embassy? You know what with Nigerians they pass through for common embassy. Person where they Italy go won't go Switzerland, go do passport, to do passport for Rome. In fact, it be like when you dey fight war. Greetings. Hello. It be like when you dey fight war, who is deceiving who? Who is deceiving who? You want to make Nigerians know say yes, they arrest you for no reason. They don't hold you because of money laundering. Because they owe you. Not before Italy, they owe you. Because your name already dey Interpol. My former commissioner, stop lying to Edo people. Those people where they jail for 120 years, send the number enter our WhatsApp. Make carry and go give lawyer tomorrow. May we carry and go give lawyer. Then may lawyer tell us. May lawyer help us go on Monday. No. At least we'll go give lawyer on Monday, I mean. Today na Friday. We'll go give lawyer on Monday. Before the week runs out, may lawyer help us go check for those people. Since na Torino prison, na the Torino we all day. Who is deceiving who? Who is deceiving who? I see some of una yesterday, some Nigerian youth, now those one be really lazy youth, now they threaten person. Now don't say all Nigerians, boys and girls, everybody they stubborn. So you believe say your feet just carry for phone, the 30 person, and you the 30 person, you deal with Italian number. Now tomorrow now they come say you be mafia now. They will come enter that your number. They come arrest you with the threats where you the threatening person. Because if you listen in Nigeria, where you fit just talk to people anyhow. That people who they say they arrest for 120 years, they should send us their names and their surname, real name with the document. Men who carry and go give lawyer. They make lawyer go wake the matter. Now, brother, my sisters, for those of you who know they Italy, the matter where they here be say, police hold them for group case. Police hold them for group case, not be waiting James talk, not be Peter talk, not be Matthew talk. It make everything they complicated. So they're going to need to take their time to investigate so that they go fish out the bad egg. Whether Obaseki be like governor when they share money. My brother, I will not talk anything about Obaseki. You want to say Obaseki not they share money. My brother, as far as Nigeria is concerned, 36 states. There is nobody not they share money. All the old governor for that 36 all of them they share money like mad. Not be Nigeria you for. Who tell you Obaseki not they share money? Who tell you say you not they share money? Not be Obaseki matter with day here. I know Obaseki na government, he don't win. We only pray may God give him the strength to move the Edo forward. We are not talking about Obaseki here. We are talking about former commissioner Eru.
Terry Osas, not divert matter for here. Nobody they talk about governor how they take share money. We they talk about ex-commissioner Osewege Eru. We be like say for as he go Nigeria now, we even the year say he escape as arrest. Now he take go Nigeria now. Make it tell them why they arrest him. You understand? Make it tell the people of Edo State why they arrest him. What he do if na better thing. As he they claim innocent and they still they claim people, other people innocent. Like the 120 years where say they give people innocent Nigerians. At least make it list the names.
More we go give lawyer.
Make them still know whether na true they talk because we know say not be true they talk. We know say for innocent people fit dey. Yes, but that one when they talk na for your own self they fight for because in case still dey here they fight the way government go take support am. But they not go nobody go support am for this one because when they do those things nobody say.
When he was the commissioner of Arts and Culture and Foreign Affairs, why he not come Italy? Why okay if he say now let Italy 9 Nigerians for day prison? Okay, you don't know say Nigeria day prison for Germany. Okay, you don't know say they're day for France. You don't know say they're day for Holland. You don't know say they're day for Switzerland. My guy, make it open him mouth tell you now wetin make the whole lamb. It's a simple question. Terry, you no be boy, you be man. They hold somebody, now Jan you dey. They hold somebody for France. They carry and come Italy. Then he reach Nigeria. He say they hold am for no reason. Now Nigeria police they hold you for no reason. For those people where they Italy, they know wetin na dey talk. Those people where they hold for 120 years, they should list up their names. Make they carry the name go give lawyer. Make the lawyer go check on those people. Why Nigerians go they look at? Make we know they know the truth. We go they deviate from the truth. You know understand? Some nuisance the way some Nigeria go constitute for this abroad. You say go tire. Yes, my brother, and I just the matter. What did they hold on for was 2013. Now it happened for Bologna. Him himself know what did they hold on for. He know the groove when he come for Bologna for 2013. Before they reach the hall, police don't mount camera for inside the hall. After they finish the groove, police enter all of them conversation. Now 2016 they start to the pick them. We know of many people where they carry where go Nigeria, the ones where they hold, when we travel go other country. When he was a commissioner, why he not come? May come here, come look for people where they prison.
Diaspora vibes, good question. Now good question now you ask.
Man, not be this time. The world don't civilize for this 21st century. When one person if he just gather poor people head, they make money and reach himself, enter house. Say yes, people they prison over 300 Nigerians. Fine, yes, we know say everybody where they prison. innocent go dey.
Yeah.
And that innocent wey e dey, na person wey dey close to that, na him drag her enter body, or somebody go donate am. So let's stop deceiving ourselves. The whole land 20, you know say yes, this abroad, wetin you do 2010, 11, e get where they open your page reach. E get where they open your page reach, they go call you, say, my guy, man, alpha show, see wetin you do. When you dey see am say yes, they say the whole person here, e not be Nigeria where be say somebody will keep person for Benin, e go run go Lagos or Port Harcourt, they go say e don save. And the person wey they even gather around the job, they go see the phone for in hand, they not go even use the phone to find the person. Oh, but here no be like that.
Hello.
You understand? This is not the era of we deceiving ourselves. Let's tell ourselves the truth.
Good evening. We thank God. You won't contribute.
And you tell the Nigerians what happened here in Italy 2013 that lead to his arrest 2020. And let's stop deceiving ourselves. Now Italy we dey. And if now another country for happen, we no go to talk.
Which man be that? Which man? Okay. Ma put her for speaker now.
Yeah, put her for speaker. We not too get time. 1 hour we don't run now. So we should not. Good evening, bros. I bet all those kind of people they call, just contribute your contribution.
Yeah, go on with your contribution. That they
your
hear
contributed. You. People they hear you, bros.
Brother, hello.
Hello, they hear.
Now abroad we dey so. This abroad we dey so. We go. They know the talk like. Even though say you talk, even though say police talk say now you be worse enemy, carry you go court. Judge, they don't talk to because that one papa get money pass you. The truth they will talk am.
For real.
The truth wey dey inside, they go talk am. Understand? So they see that man don't go the do for there. For Nigeria, they talk about all this kind of politics. Now you in the talk. That's what they not big talk to me Italian people. May they not talk the law. May they not talk the reality. Now the reality, now they will see talk. Understand? That's why we don't know what kind of come up for Nigeria. Oh yeah, call it all this kind of rubbish for here. Want to turn their country.
Yeah. We want to turn their country to Nigeria.
Hey brother, now this is my house. Let me tell you now, this is my house when me dey so. They don't call you around 5 o'clock calling everybody. They carry me go to the police station there. I dey talk, I dey chat for them. That's what did they happen. They say clean man, get no accusation.
Yeah.
The man, I will tell the IPO man, say I want to make call. He say, what I want to make call? If I want to make call, me I use Italian language. I say, now my girlfriend that want call. You don't tell me I use Italian language. It's okay, but then me I call. Then they don't leave me I go out. My brother, as they talk about my brother, they talk about the be. God will protect the good. Nobody, anything when anybody find against you, not go up for you, my brother.
Amen, amen. Thank you very much, bro. Your contribution go well.
Now the truth, they talk. They say, what do you know, say, I dey forbid, you dey give me a job. Now you kill me now.
For real now. Just that the problem we get is some people just believe saying I try to be everything. You did the Italy. Some people just call me since you did the Italy, you dey threaten me. And you use your number take call. Say you go kill me. My God, now so matter they put yourself for problem. I'll carry those number now that your Facebook ID you take come here, I'll go give police. They go fish you come out. Then you tell police what make you want kill me. Upon that this in Nigeria way law not they work. Nah, Nigerians, my fellow Nigerians, we know they get problem here. We know they get problem here.
Okay.
This is not Torino, they for detainer. We now Nigerians, those we did Torino, and the people when you say no, say don't put the matter for their hand here. May we get the names of those people. We get the names of those people. Then next week, how many of us we go lawyer place? We'll go present those people names, give lawyer, may lawyer help us go prison, go ask of those people. Then from there we see the way forward. Not before you to go Lagos, go shot. Then you go Abuja, go shot. Before you know, the governor, as a state governor, come say, okay, my brother, wait till you fit to fight this fight.
Amen, my brother.
You will come talk.
Thanks very much.
Then I'll come give you small thing. You day your ass, you dey threaten me, you go shoot, you will do this one. Yes, now, You are there, some of them are there ranting you, they call me, they threaten me. If you believe say any Nigerians they will they fear death again with the way Buhari don't do all of us reach, bandits, Boko Haram, country where bandit fit enter NDA, the last hope, where defend that day. If they break defense, they never score keeper.
Nigeria Defense Academy, what a shame.
Where defend that day. If they break defense, they never score, let her go. Why would they act as if they not be jammed with day? We dey here, you say that na Torino, now you for go prison. Me, I based in Torino, Italy. Those people that has been sentenced for 160 years, 120 years, 20. But brother, send the names. Know how you self as a commissioner go still get some prominent friends around here. Let we all go to lawyer. And here not be Nigeria where you say yes because you don't do 50 years for abroad. You be this one, you won't go station. No, we'll list those names. We'll go give lawyer. They will list those names, we'll go give lawyer. But if we carry the names which were lawyer day, then lawyer go help us go prison, go ask of those people. Let's start from there. Instead of us going to Nigeria and protest, when you say never ever finish your case for a year, who is deceiving who?
Okay, you want to contribute.
My fellow, those who is deceiving who? You dare they call me, they threaten me.
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, bros, good evening.
So I saw some comment here. Someone was saying they are trying to say any crime that somebody committed, they should charge that person according to the crime and they should not go to another city. That person must be very stupid. If you are living in Italy, you will know if you commit a crime here, if you involve even Torino or Palermo through telephone, they will arrest everybody in the whole city.
System where
Let
they
me tell
work.
you something now.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you, sir.
Somebody committed a crime in Italy. The day the crime was, he affected in Spain so many countries. The day they busted people in Italy, they bust the same thing in Spain. So what are they saying? If anybody who come out and say they arrested me for a crime I know nothing about, it's either somebody set that person up or that person is lying.
Yeah.
Sure.
Italian police can arrest and sentence you for nothing. It's not possible. They think they are in Nigeria police.
Okay.
So, okay, let me tell you something. That guy was arrested in another country.
In France, he was arrested in France. I'm sorry, he was arrested in Holland.
They were waiting for that guy for so long.
Yeah.
That guy committed a crime. He refused to say it. Well, my brother, all this thing, I mean, you guys shouldn't waste your precious time of saying this because that guy, he committed a crime. He just lied. Okay, before he left Italy, why can't you start the protest here and let everybody follow you? I saw somebody was saying something the other day. They sentenced somebody for 100 years or whatever. Even if they sentence that person, it's not an innocent. He's committed a crime.
Yeah.
I wish it was my life. It's not possible in Italy for judge to sentence somebody, an innocent somebody. It's not possible. I have been in this country for so many years.
Okay.
That man is lying. He committed a crime. He should pay for it. Okay, all these things, what they are doing now, they say all these cultists and everywhere. There was a court that they raided so many people in different cities.
Sure.
Through their telephone. What are they saying? The girl will never police issue for this country where they never stop. I bet when I forget those people, they are stupid. Those people that are commenting, they are very stupid. I bet. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you, bro.
much.
Thanks for your contribution.
Yeah. Yes.
My God, don't tell you now. Say the same people when ex-commissioner I don't know. He should call them. Those people, when he say yeah, they give them 120 years, make he send their names. We will carry and go give lawyer. Here not be like Nigeria. Lawyer, better lawyers they. All of us did this abroad. We get some brothers where they go who. The family not there. The waiting we go still do to support him. To make sure say he come out, we go still run now. So just forget that he better lawyer yours day. Make him call his friends, ex-commissioner, where they who. Make him call his friends where they Italy. Make him send the name. Not be Torino say for happen. Good lawyer dey Torino, yeah. God bless you, Nikki. Better lawyer dey Torino, yeah. Me, I not tell you say I get lawyer. But I know say yes, me gonna let problem come. Now jam with this, so lawyer full everywhere. You understand? We know lawyer where they good for document. We know lawyer where they good for crime. Not be Nigerian when they be say yes, lawyer way. No, some of them never know what they do. It just be like Nigerian native doctor. Now medicine for belly you get. If you go for eye pain, you go say you go fit. Before you know, you go blind your eye.
Terry Osas, try show some maturity. Try mature for once, you understand?
Yeah, you
Not dey insult people, you understand? Everybody dey here dey earn his or her own opinion. If you know say you get your own to earn too, you go still call
You go
to
still-
contribute instead of insulting people. You are at least matured now. Just try matured for you, if na small.
my guy, if they hold people for group case, now so it dey be. Most of all those people where they hold for group case, everybody know they make cause. Now your conversation, now they
Yeah.
cause all those things, my
For real,
brother.
for real.
Person keep person, call you say my guy, don't go keep person. You say they follow and they happy. Okay, you believe say they hold and they go leave you. I not talking one day say innocent, not the prison. All prison for this world, I believe say one or two innocent
Innocent
day. But what I'm trying to say in effect is that it should bring the people the people when they say they're jail for 120 years.
Yeah, their names.
Their names. I don't even say bring the names. Send the names. Give at least single in a ex-commissioner. He get big friends for embassy. He get people here. Na Torino the scenario happen. If una they say me no get lawyer, if friends no get lawyer, make it list those names. Make we carry the names. Go give lawyer. Then make lawyer go come out. Come tell una wetin happen. Then if they start from there. Be your brother's keeper. Not be that they play but make person go stay go. You understand? You know if you not come here, come the. You understand? You know if you come the. You know if you come person walk or they talk anyhow. Because this life we dey so our Nigeria politician they get 1.1 million way where they take they chop people money. You know if you can go round for Lagos, round for Abuja, the state governor can't call you, can't give you small thing. Frank, if they owe you, tell us now. The people when it be say yes, those people will give you their names because na prison. Any person where they prison, if you they come out, you must see one or two person where not get helper. We go give you name. Say, Baba, let me give my sister or let me call this number. If you get those list of the brigand come, not give me. You get friends, but me go follow the go any lawyer where they go. Make my eye for reach am. As far as in my city here to Reno 9 for happen.
Yes, the
We
diaspora
no get
vibes.
problem.
He say if he was set free, he should provide the verdict of the court. Yes, that's not true. But it's just that many of our people are not just know whether their brains they malfunction because
We
sometimes
dey here, nobody they cross each other. Now, everybody is here to him their view.
For real.
Everybody is not, you know, if you call, like some way they call me, I don't get some people they call. You use Italian number call, you they threaten me, you will do this one, you will shoot me. My guy, you will want shoot person. You keep your head for us. Then that your number now, I'll call carry and now, I'll call carry and go to Astoria, yeah. I'll call go give police, say this person call me, they threaten me. Then they'll call enter your phone, they'll call investigate you for 3 years. Then if you dey do waiting on good, they'll call pick you up. You'll say person do bad. My guy, no Nigeria youth, all Nigeria youth, everybody tired. Even with the president, where we deal with, now everybody don't tire. So our Nigerian government and they don't pursue with the masses and the civilians, they don't pursue all of us go war. So it's time for everybody to speak out. You talk, you die. You no talk, you go die. NSAS not take place for 2 weeks. Me and you know what happen for Nigeria. The truth need to be told. We not the quarrel for you. If you get your opinion, you go call. Since you say na Torino the thing happen, write those names. Give your friends when you know for you say you don't already organize. Let's go see lawyer together. If we dey help our brothers, we will know say we dey help our brothers. But the era of can't use some poor people head, take climb, take enrich yourself. Forget you get everything. Our politician dey belleful for money. And now so now they talk too much. My dad, our parents that year, they talk. Now the country they reach like
now
this.
it take reach our hand, so we everywhere spoil.
You no talk, I no talk, James no talk, Peter no talk. My brother, all of us na kpakpororo. Everybody na hustler, na everybody be. And we know the way. Even our politicians with the level that they show us, they be hustler. My brother, na only evil person they happy say. Even when person commit crime, say nobody wish anybody prison. But the era of you using the head of, if you want me to talk where people they languish for prison, go Arab nation. You don't go Libya. That one that they pursue you cash, you don't do anything. I know how many months I spent for illegal immigrant for Libya. They say I don't even use visa enter Libya, I don't use passport enter. So guys, we don't need to for Libya, if they arrest you, carry go court. If Judge you please, you happy. They will add 1 year, Joe, till you stop to happy. You know how many innocent they there? The Nigerian where me and you for come. You know how many Nigerians they inside Nigerian prison where they die? Innocent. We don't even know. You don't know it. Up to now, still they that. Why am I here? Yeah. What did I do? We know every single day, if real person they pray, we also pray for the prisoners. Everybody in a guy. Some people, everybody don't test time in 1 or 2 ways. Now, John, we know how he play. Nobody which if we enemy prison. But the era of you can't use people here take line because you come out from one side, you want to sugarcoat your name again, maybe you can't rebrand, just like the way the Buhari do. After they don't wear uniform, they rule laws finish. Later they can say no, uniform don't come on. They can go follow us. They so native, can they form civilian. But those era don't pass. I don't say they don't need who don't need help, but the truth will tell each other. The truth will tell each other. If they get 10 people for jail for Italy, say now 10 people they the prison. I feel say 2, 3 feel be innocent. If they get 10 people for Nigeria prison, I feel say 8 now innocent. Yes, bros. You say why Italo calling our brothers mafia? Fine. In every aspect of criminality, like some people now for Nigeria now assassin they be. Some people now criminal. Bro, so kind news dance with some Nigerians for this country when I did so I talk with my eyes see. Nigerians gather body, they go tie husband and wife for inside house, put on for their mouth, lock door, come out. Guys, come out for the people room, lock the door, carry their key, come out. For this country where me and you dey. Now neighbor, out of struggle, when those people they struggle, now neighbor take up police come bust the door. Then they hold those people. They waiting they say they be. Now mafians they say they be now. Who fit come up for a house, come enter person house, tell husband and wife join chair, put come for their mouth.
Waiting
it be.
Not be mafia. You explain, give us the definition of mafia.
Then Nigerian guy carry white girl for Ancona. Then after he don't drop the girl to the way he fit do am, then now the girl don't overdose. The girl come faint. As the girl faint, he butcher the girl small. He put for bag. He go put am for dustbin. You wetin you call that one?
And ma tell now for wetin he do so we no know. He even affect one of my friend. Many of our Nigerian brothers wey get Oyibo Italian as girlfriend. Because of that incident, their girlfriend leave all of them. It happened to even my friend.
Now here you go see Nigerian woman wey get like 2 kids. You go gather money to open Africa store. Maybe he go use almost about 7 months to find the store. Then before he come quit the store, come they sell for the store, everything go 1 year. Then you'll see one miscreant. You'll see when if Oyibo see blood, you they know how they feel. But you'll see the way Nigerians they choke each other. They go tell you for this country, before Italians begin call them mafias. 2099 they come, we will never even enter the country. Now cutlass, now Nigerians still they cut their self for one market or year Port Palace. If Nigeria do some kind of thing for you, my brother, I not say innocent, not the prison. Not quote me wrong for that one because sometimes law they run against some people. Some people can't greet person now. They can't jump something. Police can't bust the house. They can't see something for the house. Some idiot no greet talk say that they get on.
Yeah.
Some idiot no go say that they get on. Before you know, police go want to investigate how this thing happen, how it happen. Before you know, that innocent guy with concrete person don't chop 1 year. He don't chop 2 years. I no quarrel saying I not say innocent not dey prison, but the level where
Commissioner Aero dey put am no be so may talk the matter how e be. Yes, we not dey against wetin e dey fight for. Yes, it's good to fight for innocent people, but dem still say charities begin at home. Make e start am first for that Benin when e dey wey be commissioner. Make start first go dey free innocent people from prison. You know how many innocent people dey Benin prison?
we no dey here dey quarrel now. Some Nigerians dey you go open bar. Some Nigerians dey you go open bar, they'll call your bar, they go come fight. You say you know they do court. You dey call your friend, they tell you say see when una go get meeting. Una dey get conversation. Sometimes he call you say man somebody fuck up, you go club. We get club for here, we dey operate club here. He get one guy, the knife where we see us, and they come and look am. Other the knife dey.
Beyond Smith, we dey talk about everything. The topic, so we dey talk about everything because now all those many nonsense Nigeria behavior dey lead to imprisonment. So when they don imprison dem finish, dem come dey claim innocent. Na all the matter we dey talk because na something dey warrant when Italian police go arrest person, dem go investigate am. If dem see say the person do the thing, dem go jail am. If dem see say the person no do the thing, dem dey free am, dem dey even compensate some. Yes, we not say innocent people not dey prison. Fine, innocent people dey prison, we know, but not be as Commissioner Aero take dey talk am. Make Commissioner Aero start from Nigeria first start from Edo State first, free innocent people for prison, then may go Libya, not be even Italy sef, because wey dey active as a commissioner how many times.
See wetin security carry for person hand for club.
Just imagine na Nigeria boy carry
this
thing
club, na Nigeria boy na carry this
say
knife
one
come
court
club.
person.
Then police now come hold person with this one now because for Nigeria maybe 100,000 your power come bail you. Then they even kick person wey even hold gun, they bail am anyhow. Then this one now police go come control you with this one.
Shocking now. Wetin you want is that do you want kill now man?
Or maybe you and the person don already fight. Then you don cut the person blood dey. The police now come dey control, they come control you with this knife.
Okay.
Then you come dey cry for inside prison say you be innocent. You know wetin dey here if you knack this thing for person head.
Beyonce, yes. Italian citizens dey complain about Italian law, but I go tell you say na that their law when e add so na make Italian citizens even calm. If not, their blood hot pass our own.
Yes, na not be the country originate mafia.
Yes, but you see they say they calm, na the law na calm them. You understand? So na the country law. He said that you obey
or you give yourself problem.
Na so it just
my brother, you know if you come from another person land, come act as if say na your land. It's not done anywhere. All Nigerians, the way we take this abroad, me and you know say some Nigerians, their attitude, they carry shame. They can't give the country. You don't see for club that day now I see guy. And they beg inside that was 2019. I begged that guy for more than 1 hour 30 minutes. He beat girl, he stripped the girl naked. Then you think say for abroad police go say and say you beat woman. You can't even strip her naked. Yeah, now anything where the woman talk.
It don't finish.
So guys, we need to we were even there. I know say innocent not there. And the innocent one, the way they'll take get the favor to come out from there, you know, go out them by the special grace of God. But situation whereby one man can go use poor men children head, they make money. Now I hear say they Abuja today. Who is deceiving who? May if tell us what he need do.
Yes. Before we begin listening to Ram.
Then if he can't tell us what he need do, they make it come meet for here. We'll go join her for Nigeria embassy for room. May we gotta go protest. For here, the only things we dey gain from our Nigeria now, make we do Nigeria passport. And that Nigeria passport na money. For those of us that based in Italy, how much una take dey do passport?
Okay.
Person go enter train, car for here, they go Switzerland, go do passport. So go won't even sleep with person wife or in the name of it, they work for inside embassy. Nothing they pay me say all Nigeria government that they always leave wetin they suppose tackle.
They tackle and no matter we
no extra another thing.
We not even join.
See am now, not be me right now.
Okay. 600. If to say this our ex-commissioner Erose say na even passport matter, na he begin talk about as he go Nigeria, we for even join now, we for no say they fight for us.
Another person don still write 450.
450.
You don even see am say the country sef confused because we no get specific amount.
No.
I follow my Cameroon friend go do passport, we no do 1 hour, about 90 euro.
So most start to the talk as e be. Make we start to the speak out. Make we
No
not
dey talk the
make
truth.
we dey talk the truth as in the truth no go kill us.
I dey this country when time of EndSARS reach, I bring out my daughter. Now we be the person wey motivate people to go for EndSARS for Torino, Italy here. The people wey dey 600 years, make dem send the name. Let's stop deceiving each other. My former commissioner, with all due respect, you are deceiving Edo people.
Yeah.
You are working for your selfish interest. You say they jail you for Torino. Now Torino I dey. Those people wey you see there, me personally know people wey dey there. When I know say yes, they hold them for their crime. What are we not saying? Because in Nigeria don't spoil everybody, person will keep person. He go still dey live for the same street.
Because he get money.
Because he get money.
Or he come for big family.
Because papa get one big name. Because mama na one big woman, because papa na one big politician. He go dey the same street. Don't know say na this person kill this person.
So now so the matter just be.
Nobody dey say make anybody not help anybody here. Any person wey go prison, somebody must dey as e dey come and say, "Baba abeg o, I no get person wey dey send me money or person wey dey support me." You do the best you fit do for the person. Fine, we know. Even for this life, even if say 300 Nigerians, there is no way we fit help everybody. Na the best he go always do. But wetin we dey fight for here now be say, if they wan do anything, make dem do am legit.
Okay. Ma put am for speaker na make
The state government no fit come help them with money, make dem take do wetin dem wan do. Dem come dey use am for their own selfish interest.
Okay, go on.
God bless you, my brother.
Amen, and you too.
I said, Mr. Because I see the way you dey run your things here now. Because this man, they go to talk, say he want 5 people waiting for this thing for prison. Yes, that means so.
Yeah.
Those people who see for say, okay, so you both know this stupid like we Africa this stupid.
For real.
Yes, that means so. This thing, wait, also another person will show me that because see this man really talks so. At least if you want to say na the commissioner or got this kind of things we want to see what to do, make it start up for belief first. People they know.
God bless you.
Oko. Make it stand up for Oko.
For real.
That Oko there, so make it say when they talk about Europe, make it stand for Oko there because we always say they're not very stupid. Nigeria or police for Nigeria, they innocent people not do Oko, not for White House. Make it stand up for there. Establish.
Yeah.
For Europe, what they talk nonsense. This now, you want to chop money. The money they want to chop, you want to chop money.
Yes, now. All the money we spend for lawyer, I want to gain her back.
Now, things we be say, he did try. Say this man know what he did do. I mean, the people be say the day European, you want to say now Europe because you just come European because they arrest them for European for Holland, for Italy, on social media. We understand. Then you start for your own. They say charity begin at home.
Nah. Nigeria government go come and they say they want tie road for you, and they not get road.
Make it start up for Nigeria there. Make it start for Benin there. Oko there. Innocent people. We don't know. I don't know today.
They're full there.
You know how many innocent youth they Benin prison.
You want tell me? You want
for Sapler road for there.
Make it start for. You know, be you the European. They just wake up in the morning, just wake up say it's a boom, man. I know what
that person wey dey give 120 years make he tell Italian say go Nigeria, they no carry am go.
Just imagine who wan go Nigeria?
Who wan go Nigeria?
What the company went there for Europe here? When
people they see food they chop. Nigerian people will be saying they want people gather for street they sleep. For one place they sleep.
Thank you. Let them they come in. You get
culture. I don't want Rio, Mr. Man, please. I not getting against you. Start with your state first. People in the state for this president there. This state first. We start with your state. They enter European. Come European will support you.
And they tell
This man
you.
know what to talk. Not be where people tell you go White House. Go. You know, say people just call the command the food.
If you don't see for White House or Oko, go Kirikiri for Lagos.
My brother, even Ghana, okay, make it start for Ghana.
Oh,
Make it start for Ghana.
Ghana near.
Ghana near.
Yeah.
Let me start from Ghana.
Start for
Cotonou.
Ghana, Europe.
Yeah.
Start for Ghana.
Man,
Thank you very much. We appreciate.
all those people where they call people, they threaten people. Which advice you get for them? And a European number they take they call person, they threaten person.
Which I see there, say my people, my brothers and sisters, my brother. This my brother, so we do a live show. So, now my friend, I beg those now when they threaten somebody, I'm not gonna know how to treat somebody because. Is that me? So if not people will get sense, I beg. If you basically get sense, you tell somebody, try to reason to yourself, with your own sense, say, let me so because tell the man where they tell the white people now, make start for Nigeria first, start for those places. More than something tell somebody when no who throws to that way because the truth has to be said. This now not everyone people now. Now money won't collect.
For your pocket.
Baba, thank you very much for your contribution. God bless you. I bet like this page.
Now sure, now money won't collect. This that man, so now money won't collect. The money won't collect. Now we will collect. Go do after 2 years, 3 years. Oh, you want them very stupid. This is why they very stupid.
He get person where go come as person. They will arrest you, join.
Now I leave this my brother.
Thank you, Baba. God bless you for your contribution. That person they call. God bless you. We appreciate it. Thanks, boss. God bless. Like our page and follow us up on YouTube. Bless up.
If we say all Nigeria prison, you go to may first start with Edo, at least may start with Benin first.
At least charity begins at home.
Make sure say okay, this na Oko prison. Say all the innocent.
No. He come and bro. Now he come find innocent person for prison. So he go know say Nigeria full. He go your friend go beg Oba secretary. I beg. Just give me like 1 or 2 office. Just give me my collect also as old day. Might go with some police. May they go really interrogate people where they inside prison for Nigeria. This protest, me want me you carry and come Roma embassy. You know what they pass through for here? Some people there for the past 6 months, the passport never come out.
Yeah.
The only thing where we still they get from our government, where we they pay put, now problem now yawa we take they get on
Passport. Hello.
So nobody should deceive anybody.
Good evening to you.
Person we carry this thing on our club. Now security fit collect am. My dear, my people, my fellow Nigerians. Who knock this one for person here? The person never die.
Okay now.
For another man land, not be your papa land.
Go on with your contribution.
With your contributor here.
I greet everybody, both everybody when they watch.
Everybody.
Baba, we greet you. Baba, beg you, why your volume small,
Now
baby?
this Italy what we do so according to our brother went for last. Before they carry Eriho go prison where they go, now investigation is started. You understand me so? And the worst part of it, what he want to do now, his political career has already died.
He won't welcome back, yes.
Career for Nigeria.
Yes.
That logic, say, now so 300 people, they are lavishing in prison, try to go embassy, try to carry press conference and do everything. You know, say, if you don't do all these kind of things, if political career, that good, how can you expect the whole commissioner say go prison?
I love this caller.
You want to regain your political career, make people the same, make Nigeria the same. You know what he happened today now?
No.
He carry protest go Italian embassy for Lagos.
Yeah.
They no answer am. They say the ambassadors be decide for Abuja. You need to write letter go Abuja first before they answer am.
They don't allow the protest for Lagos now. Today now, we tell you.
Okay.
You understand? So,
Yeah.
So all those our politicians waiting to use another person head.
Yes.
To get their own career.
Before you know, it don't carry 200 million for Edo State.
Forget this junction when we did so. This tally when we did so. Before, let's assume and say that they say I be people. You go tell them, they will just monitor you.
Yeah.
It takes time.
Yeah.
Sure.
Get that person behind them.
And they must confirm her.
Say you be real thief.
Yeah.
Farmer say na so person like this. now.
Yeah. Yeah.
And waiting, if you use the man talk and say they call Nigeria no get mafia. What is Thailand they call mafia? Like all those are brothers and all those courses of esteem. Now mafia they think describe them for their own way,
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
their own language.
Yeah.
You understand? So, nobody all those kind of comments. Now we know understand and before they carry the judge say, now so Italy we know say many of our brothers they there. But so kind of few things we not supposed to happen when they did them.
Yeah,
but
sure.
not the one they do now. You know what make shape cash and also say na they know as a commissioner. Now your political career in the fight for when
Na
they do
clear
all those
matter.
things when they do so. Now what you want to try to do now as they make sure the prosecutor name the
For
Italian,
real.
lawyer name. And you want to do and I see going back now you want to use and involve innocent people when they here.
Yeah.
For
You
real.
understand me? So? So, what we go try to do, and I don't know what that man, I don't know what we will just tell and make it whether we get one way or another to tell us to make it stop that nonsense when it do.
Yeah, bros, he go stop that nonsense when they do. What you go do be say, man, bros, if we don't call off finish, I beg you just write us I for WhatsApp.
No shaking, no problem.
Because one. Because-
how can you expect to go the same person for almost a year plus without him not do anything? Before they carry and enter there, he use his mouth talk and say they say na
Credit card. My brother, I say, waiting the whole row for it was 2013 for Bologna.
Okay.
Money way back belay for that group is almost about 15,000 euro. Almost about 20,000 euro with the expensive hotel where all of the lodge. So,
Hello?
Baba, thanks for your contribution.
Hello.
Eh?
Who is this?
Yeah, we did live.
Oh my God. I wanted to commend you people for that topic because that thing don't they pay me about that commissioner for you when we did. Oh my God.
No, we still did live. Oh.
We did
I know,
live.
but not about that issue na day now.
Now, still on the commissioner matter we did now.
Still on the issue.
Oh my God. I don't they share here. Truth to God just know my heart. I just feel that life I don't discuss that with many people. Europe, where everybody day, where we know what he day. Neither man go they carry people. About they go they follow him. They go Lagos.
That one, anywhere money for come, now you see that one.
Europe, they go monitor you, making tell us waiting make the arrest on the own. And that
Yeah.
somebody confess.
They say credit.
He pay me, to pay me. I don't know so na dey like bro.
Now we out there, we there. Now the matter. Tomorrow we still get the
We
matter.
did the matter.
This
So
matter.
If you enter, if you dey watch now, you'll see say you dey hear with your talk.
Okay, wait now. I want to ask question. I'm calling from Torino.
Okay, the same city. Now me are you there?
Yes, this is a mobile one of Torino. I'm calling from Torino. If not possible, if no baby person they work, chance. Me myself, I want to go. Make I go station. Now ask them. So person, what happen?
Okay.
It's nobody because everybody in Europe we know how they play.
For
Everybody
real.
go your way. How come you come? They don't owe you. Not be saying somebody confess you because they monitor. I don't know. You just carry them, make them, because they want you to affect other people.
Yes, now, and the one using affect people collect money from the Edo State
for their
government.
pocket.
Monkey they walk, bamboo they chop.
Thank you. Now, thank you for that program.
Baba, God bless you. You too much, my brother. Much respect. We regard you.
And that's our brother wey say wetin we go fit do now to counter ex-commissioner Osewegero. Mate, one of the things wey we fit do now na to protest, to counter a protest. Wait to say wetin e dey talk na lie
Na
and na
crap.
false. Yes, which is na false allegation e dey lay on Italian government. Na Italy na we dey. We know how the system dey go here. We not just dey Italy. We dey here. We don dey Italy for more than 1 decade. no be small years be that one. We know how they play. So na to lead, na to protest, to counter.
Then after you don't share Italy when they build their parliament, so that mean they debate on that. Then after you don't share, people will not get people. You can go put them for problem.
Yes, the deport they go Nigeria, go join suffer, join suffer.
The ones who they deport from Libya, how much they give them? My brother, my sister, make una not fair to. They say they call Nigeria and they call some boys mafia. Somebody we get club. I the state Torino here for Italy. We get club. They seize this knife from one boy hand. I don't want to mention the boy name. They seize this knife for the boy hand. My people, if Italian police control that boy with this knife, waiting, you believe say go talk. I beg, drop your comment below. Not be mafia, they go call him. Check the knife, oh. The guy put am for back of trouser here. Now when he want enter club, security they search am. Now they see this knife. Then you won't tell me now, say this person will hold this knife now. Even though you use an even knock person, you will kill the person. Also, you can't cut person. You know the force with this knife carry. More tell ourselves the truth sometimes. I know say innocent, they prison. Hello? I greet you, bros. Good evening. Respect.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, bro. My put her for speaker, bros. Okay. And I need to seek for your permission first. Baba, it is speaker. Everybody they hear you now.
Hello?
What, Baba, will they hear you? Respect.
Wait till they there, Baba. Most of our people, they misbehave well for this Euro, sir.
For real.
You understand? You understand me, so? About what the bros they talk, so that man, so they find money, wait, be say, for you selfish interest, so for you say, I need to find money. You understand? You know what do things where be say, he go favor that people. Based on for you say, I need to find you this money, so you understand me, so? Money we want to best, so now they find. Because this country, me don't do this country 5 years now. It never concern police.
Okay.
You understand? Police now you carry you or arrest you that you not do anything bad. You understand me? You must do something wrong where we say police will they owe you.
Yeah.
You understand me, so? That is why they call you they talk of kind to say all those kinds. Not the so. Most of our people they fuck up well.
For real.
Baba,
thank you very much for your contribution. God bless you. We appreciate it.
Thank you for your contribution.
Edo people, Nigerians, we need to wake up. All these our politicians, they don't to use us for so long.
Yeah.
They come out in a different dimension.
Yeah, this na format. Now not the format where
wrote a baller.
This format,
if a rock collect.
This format, the format. It too strong, but many of you are not go understand.
Then if they give her the money finish, people want to know so they go fit draw a leg, come out, go give them small thing.
Go pitch for
then
the
they go arrange itself again. You say Italian government tell us if you want to make this close, you go be $150,000. We'll close the case. Then at the end of the day, people go in prison, go still prison.
It's not go work. Yes, now so we want to do our own protests. We now for Italy, make it come Italy, cause we want to do our own protest.
For Italy, we go join them. If you know, say they tell those the truth.
But we want counter our own protest, because only that go fit solve the problem now. Make him not use your own reggae to spoil people blues.
You be lying now. The way some Nigerians they do for this country, you tire.
Yeah, now we don't see tire now.
I go where the last Sunday, even the white man will get our club. They say, in on whether we go open. He said because last Sunday somebody fight police. Nigeria,
yeah.
he fight police. And I know what's going to happen now. Since we get club, how they black their face, how they do some video, make how they send them. Make una see the way some Nigerians they misbehave for club. Person will bring knife, come out, battle us, come out for John. Long cutlass for John. One cut person. And he go really cut some. My brother. I did this country, I dey sleep, I know the lock window. for all the years where I thought they did this country. If I sleep for power, they open my balcony down. Mostly for this summer. Rats never enter my room one day. The motive was from Nigeria to put the court for her, enter this abroad there. Say the police not strong. Nigeria they learn. You for not even feel they work out for streets.
For real.
But because the security tight, they feel oppressed them. I'm gonna say in Nigeria, when a vigilante they arrest police. Police they are vigilante they station.
Who do this to us, Nigeria? Who caused Nigeria?
If you dey play ball, the dribble defender, they never score goal. NDA Academy, a whole bandit figure the figure enter around.
They even call kick.
You know what we dey pass through for those states? We get the Fulani X-Men. Our mothers not the figure market. Our fathers not the figure yes. Our mothers not the figure farm.
Hello?
Our fathers not the figure farm. From Benin to Agbo, you no fit access the road. You put your hand for head, make you feel rich. From Benin to Aunchi, you no fit access the road because of bandit, kidnappers, and every other thing. We get bad road, lack of infrastructure, no good medical health care.
Okay, go on with your contributor.
Hello?
Yeah, they hear you.
Hello?
We they hear you.
Okay. Yeah, this is our commissioner. Hello?
We dey hear,
They
bro.
hear. People they hear you.
This is our maybe you put up a speaker, maybe people they hear me.
Is
They
there
hear
speaker?
you. They speak already.
One of the best programs where somebody like me they like. Not be this one where those our people for Europe they insult each other, they talk like for each other, but they don't like all those kind of things. One of the best programs when I like now is
Thank
that
you.
commissioner where they arrest Hero of Gate.
Yeah.
Now, this one are Europe, not be secret court. Everybody dey inside. We know what they play here.
Sure.
One thing when me want know, let that man talk what happened to him.
Okay.
Let's figure out.
Okay.
Because I really listen many times. I don't listen to his video. The way they say me do us arrest, they no green. Normally we know how Italy be. I will say na Germany for no green for us. Those lawyers, maybe they can defend them with that, they spend money. Now he can go back to Nigeria, come mobilize our own people again.
Mm-hmm.
Una dey hear me?
Yeah,
we
everybody they hear you. Hello?
Now those people wey mobilize, now they call it, now that one go they pay me now. They don't even know, and they get people here. That like Obaze, Abatabaze, he get people in the diaspora who will help us work this presidency out. This our governor. They know what our people capable of doing. We see many videos where don't come out from France, where somebody carry battle her. He say, I go kill you, not in the apple.
Okay.
Everything they. No
Okay.
people now, they say they arrest them 4 years ago.
Yeah.
They do racing.
God bless you, caller.
That person.
God bless you, caller.
People they carry for go Libya, where everybody know. Okay, now they come for you now. Say okay, they do monitor. They monitor you. They monitor your phone. Those guys where you bring, they monitor all. Before police, Europe police arrest person. Now those times, those days when we never know what it is. Now, native doctor and pastor, those prophets, they eat money. They'll say that also person for Europe. If you not get document, they know they carry you go out. How you Italy will give you for Libya. Come up for this country.
Yeah.
They know they don't do crime. Now this country, that's the way not that the letter. They start controller. We don't see him.
Yeah.
Yeah, confirm.
Make that arrow, may just use the own sense. He not fit play with us. He not fit play with us. May use the own sense. May the judge, they not wait to may test them, wait till happen to them. Now your people, now he confess them. That's just the truth.
Exactly.
People who they play.
Now group case.
If not be the same thing, we go talk. Majority will be vote. I thank you people.
Thank you.
God bless you, caller. You well finished.
Yeah,
your mouth not go smell. I bet like this page for more updates.
Yeah, more updates.
When I share this video,
we must.
now your people confess you. The thing happened 2013. They started already 2016. I know more than 15 boys for Torino for year. We run for the matter. When we even do that, they do their thing, we they see. When they even gotta go beat their friend. Say yes, they do overthrow. They do their post things. They want change post. When they beat the boy finish for Dora, the guy and the wife, they go police station, go confess to police, say mafia beat them. You say mafia beat you. Are you not mafia? As they enter your phone, I begin use your phone, they trace all your friends one by one, one by one, one by one, one by one, one by one. Can they know una conversation where una go meet alpha? Because now they can be like two fraction. Now they fight for office. You don't know the kind of course where they go they make. Then at the flex where Baba can follow the flex, Baba spend better money 2013 Eru Osenige, former ex-commissioner. The money when he spend, as they control them friends in your phone number day. They control your phone, know what he talk, they see you contributed to the thing where they do. And since that time, he has never come to Italy. When he come na Germany and your NCLS, he go no longer say Obaseki come. When he come again, and I say because Italians don't already know say this man don't they fly. You don't know say they still they monitor and say yes, he don't be minister of art and culture and foreign affairs. So as they be foreign affairs, they know say go they come jam. Now they play sample for Itapo. You think say in Nigeria, when you thief for 10, you go Igbesam and go they stay, they no cash you. You keep person for upper, you go they steal Wasota. You still the Galavanti.
They spread.
For the time they spread like they spread. People when they keep person for the night they spread pass. Now they put Baba for Itapo. Immediately Baba they come down for Holland. As Baba buy ticket, they don't already know there's also a person they call Holland. But they kind of suspicious to them. And he deal with governor. Baba do it in Livan. Now Baba come.
Nah.
Why Baba not wait me Baba? Baba move Livan before himself call use in your reggae spoil Baba.
When Baba see the case, say the case be one kind. The case be like when monkey and one begin resemble human being.
For inside soup because it's not too thick.
Now I move ahead.
Because if monkey and too thick for soup, because they resemble human being.
I didn't tell you. Move
then at the end of the day, now they just tell us, okay, you come, give us your passport. Now give the passport. As they put her for their computer, now he show, me, right?
Now they shout, Ecolo.
Me, right? Computer, me, right? Now they say, no, you did one side first, but maybe we attend to other people. Before you know, check out, listen,
now they forward that.
Now they knock her from Italy from Torino to Parma, from Parma, now they bear come Italy. Then you want to tell us now, say, and you say, and then say, and we say, Mona like this page. We all deal with them for this one. Anyway, they want to carry this one going, we deal with them. The era to the shop money for poor people where there, it don't pass. Not be this time. Guys, share this video and like this page. Let's turn this page, man.
Because now from here we'll discuss the protest what we want to do. Now for stay our own favor, we wait day here. You understand? Okay, call out the line. Hello?
Why would they deceive ourselves?
Oh, thank you very much. You want to contribute now? Okay, ma put her for speaker now.
Yeah, very important.
Okay, go on with your contributor.
You see that man, so that man talk one thing when they say normally they're supposed to re-investigate again normally.
Okay.
But they don't say it's already free. According to him, he said they don't use 56,000 pounds. Now he spend. So he get money to spend and they can come outside. Not be saying not commit something.
No,
okay.
Now because about Commissioner
now is the only point when we they take from inside waiting they talk if you listen well. Now it be the point of who sell marijuana, make them not go give them 140 years imprisonment.
Okay.
They give the mafias 140 years. Not be person when be say maybe he go say one or two things when be 5 euro, or maybe he go do one or two things when be say he require maybe 6 years in prison or 2 years or 1 year or 6 months. They go say they go quote that law of 150 years or 140 years for his head. That one I don't make sense for it. Now let that one be point when it gets.
I will talk to you.
This will not be Europe.
But my brother, me and you don't do this country for years. Me and you know say who sell marijuana. Who even go carry many bags, they know they cut even 50 years for prison.
You get the story now. So if say
my brother, for this country for road.
So if they're not true, say that they get black Bible, whether they read for all those innocent people, maybe say they're supposed to go to 1 year or 2 years, say the black Bible, they whether they condemn them, that one not good. But for your personal case, it not be too much innocent to my own view. Due to how he express himself, he not be innocent.
Bro, man, I tell you something. For Italian, legge, uguale, petuti, anche italiano, anche stranieri. Law, now for one law, now you hold everybody. Whether you be Chinese, you be Italian, you be black. Oga, they know they open any black Bible for person. I told no midday. He say he get friends for year. I said those people will get 120 years. We no criminal lawyer. When it be even when you keep person, go fit pull you out. Now he work with that. So far money day. May we and that friends, may we make it write their name come. I don't want to make let me do the waka. May we go give the lawyer. Then the lawyer go trace them.
So we now go the way for the name because he say you get the name go publish and say next week they go to London. So
and not be just Nigeria where they sentence to 100 or something years. Innocent Nigerians because who not do the thing where they sentence are not being they talk about. Now the innocent Nigerians where they sentence to 100 or something years now we they interested in.
For you, brother, any person where they sentence to 120 years, you know, so they use almost about 5 years, 10 years to investigate that person, do the thing.
Yes.
It be like one Nigerian guy now, one woman picking now like 13 years. The boy rents house for there. The boy they go to sleep with the woman picking before the mother discover. When now teacher even detained for school. When they discover, they come arrest that boy for us. You know what the police tell us? Whether they carry and come out?
No.
They say, we forget this person for like 5 years first.
For real, must strap on.
Because he don't kill this small girl career. I go sleep with girl of 14 years. He never even reach 18. And not be waiting the guy use his mind. Not only if the mom they go store, he will leave the girl say, brother. Some of our people, some of them.
Not
small for them. So that if they say make we follow up with them, how you go carry come up for Nigeria, come Europe, come they use battle as they fight for here, they use cutlass, they use Israel person. Like say no be person, how many you they be?
Okay.
So if they say make they even follow up with the way when those fighters, if now those fighters mind they sentenced to 300 years, me myself will even tell the judge it's too small.
Okay.
Because they not they keep person, you know if you see person as meat. Even cow, me no fit kick cow now, you go guy they be for my body. You don't carry something they chook person like that. So if not those people that they deal with like that, my brother, 100% right to me.
Yeah.
May God not let them sentence them to death, even if not 300 years or 400 years, make them adjourn as more.
They give 200 years never die.
Man, thank you very much, bro. Una think say the way una Nigeria government they pay Nigeria, that they use the criminals till they do election. Though they look am rubber, they don't feel lamb. Once again, I just say kudos to my great king. Oba talk be he say, when I talk about you men do give. That ohen we collect that teacher land. One teacher we cry say he don't teach for 26 years. Our king don't tell that one make come up for that post. Because say you want to use king office till they collect. God bless our king. And God bless the government for that one. Obaseki for that one.
Jeanette, please, guys. What's he right? Please, guys, tell them the matters very well. Italy don't put someone in prison without offense. Yeah, that's what we are saying.
That's what we were saying. Where some of them they talk, say group case, group say. Any person where you see I'm saying they like that, now they have phone calls. Italy, You will go meet police, say this person a criminal. Then they follow you, they can say drop your statement, may you move. Then if you drop your statement, you go move, they go start to they follow you. Now street, now everybody day. Waiting I do 2010. They served me letter about 2 years ago. May I go give lawyer? Why they not just go carry me for house? Because the judge pending the case. But if you do any bad again, that one way you fair do, he go wake up for sleep.
Hello. Yeah. Good evening. Yeah, good evening. Yeah, good evening.
So let's tell each other the truth. Commissioner
Nothing
is
more to
looking
thank
for
God.
money. We don't pray for anybody to dey jail.
Wow, thanks.
Even people don't wish their enemy jail. But the truth, where they take the chop from poor people, the poor, the rich. Man, that time, man, we need to kill that time. Okay, now I put that for speaker, boss. Okay, now me this, so, bros. I'm everywhere good, though. Aye, boss.
You understand that era don't
Hey,
pass.
Biggie, hello, boss.
Where they go say everybody may we sit down,
Everywhere
make things
good,
dey
Baba,
spoil,
respect
may we
you.
not talk.
Aye, boss.
This time around,
Aye,
na
good.
tit for tit, we go talk. We go continue to
He wants to sit
talk.
down for there, can't give us problem for where we dey. He won't use poor people.
You
for- he won't use-
understand? So this time for we to speak at, because all those
Thank you
our
very much, Baba.
all these our politicians, they not love us. They hate us with passion. Only when they want use our head get money, neither they pretend to say that they fight for us, say they love us. Yes, ex-commissioner Erona they claim say they fight for innocent prisoners wey dey Italian prison. When he be active commissioner, how many times he visit Italian prison? How many times he visit those his so-called acclaimed innocent citizens, Nigerian citizens wey dey Italy prison? So when they wan use us now, because like this, the people now they call me say no wan use that, you know they use this take wan collect money. If they wan use that take regain im own political career, yes, that good name, make dem look and say na good person. Yes, but before we begin look and say na good person, make tell us wetin he do wey dey take carry am go jail, whether he na innocent of the charges. I dey hear say he never even free before he gbag and go Nigeria. So you now understand. Because e don reach time wey all these people we go hold them accountable. E don reach the time our politicians we go hold them accountable. Yes, make we not take side. Because if that money e enter your pocket today, e no go give your family one naira. Na here you go just take here you go shout complain from where you dey no level. E don collect, e don enter house. Now una just know if una dey shout. This time around, no, we go stand and say no to any wrong thing. Because now with the demand with the demand for the names of the innocent Nigerians where Italian government in prison, those ones where they really commit the crime, no problem. Oh, say yes, they sentence them. But those innocent ones, because now the innocent ones in they talk about, we need their names. May we really know whether really they be innocent, whether really, even though the Italian justice system worst, to see how worst it really be.
Yes, nah. One don't come in. So they come in with Italian number. They threaten me. They forget say na Jan. They will dey pretty the hero go dey Nigeria. I'll give your number. I'll go donation your number. They craze. They manage in Nigeria for you. I'll give you problem. You never see anything. Baba God go bless you. Thanks, Baba. I better cut out that person they call.
Hello.
Hello. I greet you, bros. Baba, respect. Okay. Bro, sorry to cut you short, bros. You know, say I need to seek for your permission. Might put on for speaker. Okay.
Hello.
Hello, bros. Everybody, they hear you.
Okay. So I just want to thank you for bringing this program on live. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
And I like watching your brother. He talk. When he talk, just now say Commissioner Ero need to tell us
why they arrest him.
Exactly.
You need to tell us why he was detained. He was being in prison for 1 year and 6 months. Now that from there, then now you go start from when they tell truth. You tell the people the truth. See the reason I was arrested. See the accusation they give to me. No, we say you they tell us more go to look newspaper, more go to look newspaper. At least he will give us the reason why them he himself will speak by himself. See the reason why they hold him. See the reason why he spent 1 year and 6 months for Italian prison.
Yeah.
Moreover, I just want to let you know, say I beg, I know I mean to a different Italian prison system. Yeah, I don't be here for long. I stay here for more than 15 years. I stay in Italy for a year. Now here now, I don't go school more than 5 times. More than I know I be. Bro, I don't go feel like for you before God and man. I don't see too many innocent people for inside Nigeria man. They go call that thing where they accuse her for. No be it one.
Okay.
They go they cry for my presence. Many. Even this kind of matter where they still old people so they say they be Curtis. They hold some people like Curtis. People they no man away do Curtis for Nigeria. As if they come Europe now, I see the brothers, you sit down with them. Maybe this person, normally, never fight anybody. Never rape any woman. He never commit crime. So because maybe they WhatsApp group with maybe friends, old school friends, maybe one they sell market for inside, one they do mania, one they want get for inside. You go arrest all these people together, then you will use the same accusation. They accuse all these people instead of 50 people where you arrest. So you give all of them one.
This caller, you too mature.
Wait,
you mature well.
You give article 416. They call it 416 bis. And you give condition where you give all of them. So innocent. Wait, I say just because I confirm man for Nigeria. Say with his friends. If they accuse them, is it right? You go put on prison, they give us 10 years and 10 months.
No, it's not the right. It's not the right. That one also not the right. That one not the right.
That one be the thing, bro. People they where they sell market where they sell anything where they do. Just they like me, I go prison confirm for what I they do. I don't know whether you understand. And I meet one. I go prison. No problem. But we they talk of person maybe because maybe na ignorance. They are this kind of show where they follow those boys they wrong. They know good. They know People they prison. People they I often swear for my own city where they go arrest person. They arrest the boy. They never spend 2 years for Italy. And what if they arrest them for 20 way be like say they say they don't do 2016. Say this man don't they run this matter, they don't they go party, they enjoy 2016. They go 2019 and then it go 2018. That 2019 they hold them. After 1 year for Europe, they never do 1 year plus. They say because he didn't do this matter. That boy never even do. I know him. He never even do anything like crime. But they accuse them with the matter we join. Go the first 10 years plus. More they tell ourselves the truth. That kind of your brother, you don't go pay you.
Yeah, Baba, I beg, never cut. Hello, Baba, no vessel. You see this your contribution, so bros, Hello? Baba, you see this your contribution, so it too go they mature that for some people to call person, they cause person. You dey feel me so, bro? Bro, even real guy, he not go pray for your enemy to dey prison.
For real.
Baba, as me dey, so I don't do last year na coronavirus, I don't do as arrest for person. Like not be even Benin boy na Yoruba boy. I do as arrest for, but you know what they try to talk be say, man, bro. If the man want really come fight for the real innocent Nigerians, where they prison, may God give her the strength. May God give her the power, the strength. And we, if we see the surface, we go still deal with them. But my brother, the era of say maybe you want to call extract and reach yourself, make the poor still the poor. Baba.
They don't get respect for us. If our commissioner, our governor, our representative, our embassy, they don't get respect.
Exactly. For real.
The police and so. I don't know whether you understand. Our God is great, man. He go inside prison. He see people for inside. He conscience, can't judge them.
Confirm. Don't be like
They don't know who you be.
You be correct, man.
He start the OJ. Commissioner, I don't start the J. Come on, they don't leave one. He start all the J. Take the benefit. He go Nigeria. Don't say he kept he start the J. The commissioner, I don't come out as innocent. No, the J will say that's what they give him. He start all of the. I don't give J for Italy, bro. Don't be joke. And about him, 4 times now I go. 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2012. Last one when I got 4 years, now I say, no, I don't go this place again. We get experience for Italy. We know what it is up. We know, they know me for the Italian prison. I don't be good thing. But I don't say when I see say because of, you know, when you go call Europe, you tell them, say, Gama, this game where you play so with all those men. They go, oh, you go tell you, say, but nothing they happen. I know the sell market. After that, I know the sell market. After that, I know the rate. After that, I don't get. I know they do crime. I don't know what people say, before God and man, I know many people, even though they don't be my brother, they be another person.
They be Nigerians, they be Africans.
Nigerian people where their life destroyed, where their wife get 3 children, 4 children, 6 children. They dey inside Africa where police go move them.
Yes.
Because of confront, they just that is, you know, that kind of thing. They like confront. They have to sit down for bar. They have to talk. They have to. Listen, Nigerian people now. Police they record this thing follow them since 2015.
Yeah.
When they go to say, but then this thing a confront now to us na crime. But they supposed to pick people where they go pick. But guys, they pick everybody when they involved. When they the WhatsApp group. Any guy man where they have arrest now for the confront where they live. Go check out. They get that contract when they live. When they tell you now. Many people they have now. They work. And since when they get this country, they never get problem. The one where they live for inside. All of them, you know, say guy where newborn.
Yeah.
People like foolish where they live 4 children. Their children are for straight. And they tell you about many Nigerian guests now with only 13 years when they are bad prison. That is the smoke market for street now. Because of if a man don't do anything, guys, just because they're a confirmed man, he don't get what he do. What they tell ourselves the truth. Thank God, say Commissioner Hero will bring this matter come out. But he himself will not go forgive him. I like the way you talk. He need to confess by himself. So
Okay.
No, bro, me, yeah, is your call.
Since when is the Commissioner of Arts and Culture for Edo State?
And foreign affairs.
Yeah.
Which one thing he don't do? Which one project he don't do? Which one you see he don't repair? Which kind anything he don't do for with the money?
Bros, everything where you dey talk, since I catch one point where you say now our God now they punish them so. Because if they not catch, I mean not go know say yes, people did there.
For real.
Yes, now. Now go punish him. Now go punish him.
Baba, God go bless you, eh. Thanks very much, eh. God. No, not be like no, Baba. Thank you very much, Baba. Now some people now, eh. Bro, as you call so, you encourage me in some certain area. You dey feel me? If you call me now, not because they talk everything. The way thing you need for Nigeria, I mean need. Person not go even which enemy prison. You know understand? And you go only see guy where they run street for Italy where they never test that area. You understand? So thank you, bro. People they call. God bless you, caller. No shaking. Thanks, boss. God bless. You understand? This is my caller way call. So I really appreciate
Ali,
the
call to make your contribution. You might not agree with my own idea or my own.
If everybody for here agree with me, now I be say I'll quit die now.
So
some people must disagree.
Call to talk your own instead of insult. You still earn your own opinion. My own opinion it might be different from your own.
Exactly.
Okay, another caller there online.
No quarreling here.
Hello.
Ogu kill you, Ogu kill me, Ogu. Now we will educate ourselves.
Yeah, good evening to you. Okay.
Mama, good evening. Mama, good evening.
So now so the matter just be.
Good evening. Afana. Good evening, everybody.
Now so the matter just
everywhere
be.
We not much respect. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Which was us? I don't know this. Yes. Yeah, Mama Alpha. Yeah. If they play, they work out with some people, yeah, sure.
Yes. And this program what we dey do so, we go still talk about the innocent people wey be like say they still dey prison o, but make we still gather our facts. We not just wan come here come just dey talk without facts. You understand? We go still talk about because this program now e go arise many matter come. So make una support. We go still bring the matter come.
Because even we still understand say yes, like what that guy told you now, some people still dey when he be say he know they do anything. Yeah. But if you just see friends, he greet them. They prison. Yeah. Then if Commissioner Hero dey fight justified fights, we get a lot of Nigerians to help.
Yes.
But my own for year, I don't want to make any person go collect money for governor or collect one money for any organization. He go use and reach himself. The people who dey prison the language go still the language. I know some people who they hold for like all those Palmer, Martin and Rachel where they work, responsible man and his wife and children.
Responsible men.
They'll come arrest the man, leave the children and his wife, and that man they take care of the family. We know everything. You understand? I even get some people where they hold for Bologna, where they still later leave and say yes, they be innocent. Even people who still dey the injuries and everything, men is still there outside. But one thing be say, man, that people wey dey do 120 years when they say dey there, and the motive wey Ero take come, I like the motive, but I don't like hacking packing.
Hello. Hello. Yeah, good evening. So you want contribute? Okay. Go on with your contributed. Everybody dey listen to you.
Oh, bros, now wetin una dey talk so na me wan. Hello, bros.
We dey hear you. We dey hear you. Yeah, people dey listen to you.
Okay, bros, now wetin una dey talk? Na me wan try contribute.
Go on with your contributed.
Okay. See, bros, normally this work when I dey do, first of all, God go bless you now.
Amen. You too.
God go bless you, bless your brother wey did there.
Amen.
Because frankly, wetin make me wan really talk for this matter, as far back, e show face for this protest. Last, wetin about pull hand, you know, they always, we know how it take the end. To collect money for diaspora, now they come again. So that one just sit there aside. All those Italian people, what they do, normally they help us. If you even look the issue, when we can use our own, they can't disturb them for the country. Still, they still keep us.
Yeah.
This one a country be say law for the work now. You don't be like Nigeria now.
Na clear matter. Clear matter.
Now the normal thing I be done, and the right thing I they do. Because me just like to call. Say that about home where it dey inside. So last now you go see and say about go gather account come and say me they come support.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Yeah.
So now be that one. I waiting want to contribute with that one. God go bless you now for the work una dey do. Anybody with the insulting, and I saw the things say they start so now. Now they do good work now. People they call, they throw insults. People they comment, they insult. You understand, bros? Now I made the Euro just to be like that, bros. God go bless you now.
Amen. And you too. Thanks very much, caller. Yes. God bless you, caller. God bless all of you.
Bless everybody.
Support. Yes.
If any person rush to call, we not receive past 3 calls. But
Yes,
if you no fit,
I want beg many of you now. We be like say una no go call la when I dey sleep for 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the night.
look person Africa, man they go work.
Men they go work. Una not see me with time. Na from work la they come so that they so I beg. Mona they call only during the program, not be after the program. Another caller dey line. Hello. Yeah, good
now the
evening.
one where they cost, make quick cost, make come on there.
We greet you specially. I'm wishing you the same from this side.
Boss, Daddy you, I greet you seriously, specially, occasionally. Greetings from this side. No, boss. Thanks, boss. God bless you, sir. You too much, much respect, and much regard. Yeah.
So you see like that, Rona, according to the other caller, he must stop waiting do. What they owe you for 1 year and 6 months. Eternal cannot just owe you like that.
At all.
Start investigating, you understand me? So,
Sure.
even when you kill somebody, they can give you maybe 30 years, you know. You understand me? So there's no way they will give you 120 years. You understand me? So there are some certain things, you know, we are Nigeria, you understand? There are some certain things we really do for you. Who is not called for, you understand?
Yeah.
For real, it's not called for. Eternal cannot just hold you. They must investigate your matter for years. Yeah. Even you commit, maybe for intervention, you not commit that crime. You face the change. If you know your right, you know your way. This one are Western world. If they hold you for 2 years, after you are not the one that commit that crime, when you come out, you have your lawyer. Yeah. You can sue them, they will compensate you.
There will be benefit for it.
Except say you don't know that person don't know you left from me right. You understand me, so?
Yeah.
They will compensate them. You feel me, so?
Yeah, sure.
So, like this commissioner, at least, Boko Haram, they Fulani Esme, they why you not protest, say, Akbar Road or whatever, this to where Fulani they stay.
Caller, God will bless you. Other person still they call.
Why you not in and out part? Why they not move like boys? Made the governor, made they go there, you understand?
For real.
So, I mean, I don't think probably will come to Europe now. We're going to keep people to we were the Western or the Italian.
For real.
It's not good. You don't have to be told that.
Thank you very much, caller.
Before they know Italian, I'm going to hit Nigeria. I say Nigeria are going to protest for their embassy for Nigeria. It's not comfort.
Yeah.
So I agree to my.
Thank you very much, boss. Other caller, they God bless you. We know they dispute the fact say innocent, not the prison. It just be like waiting that caller talk. Some people they na injust man. As he come here, he and his friends come just still they play. Then they walk where police or some of them. I'm waiting at first beg my Nigeria guys. Not the WhatsApp group.
Yeah, good evening. Yeah, good evening. Let me greet you, pass. Okay, now I beg. That's it. I beg make am 1 minute. I beg make am 1 minute. Cause other person dey line. Not to cancel that one. Wait first. Person they call on top. You don't pick this one.
Hello.
Okay. I beg make am brief. Go on with your contributed. Many people dey line.
But they hear everything at the talk.
Yes. Put up for speaker.
Yes. I agree to now, not too much.
Boss, good evening, sir. God bless you.
Yeah. Anyway, the thing when I want to talk before inside the matter be say hello.
Yeah, we there with you. Just the talk now. Call the enter, but we dey hear you clear.
Okay. The only contribution I get when I want to talk is see, waiting a road they talk when he come up for Italy here. For me, I know it not concern me how they arrest and me no one know. But what did they try to be say? Italian people go arrest Nigerians. They go keep them for prison without trial. I know some many people want to be say they arrest them since 2018. No trial. Not like so this person sick crime you commit will give you 4 years, will give you 8 years. Now what did the man they kick against? And second thing when you see they talk, they go arrest person. Maybe if he commit any crime at all. But instead of them to judge the person according to the crime when he commit, they go tell us in a mafia. Bros, me and you did this country. We don't say mafia case now the highest case.
Yeah.
When we see for Italian, when me and you did so.
Yeah.
You get the point. Like people now when they arrest at last now, maybe say maybe this year, maybe everybody went to Italy, anybody went to Italy who knows this the one at the talk, when they pick about 30 something Nigerians.
Yeah.
You get the point.
Yeah.
Now when they pick them, they can't tell us first, say these guys are mafian, that they do a manyasha, that they
do credit card.
Not when they're not right put. And they come, bro. Not when they're not right put. But at the end of the day, we when say this thing affect, we can't go meet lawyer when still happy because we're not foreigners. We go meet their lawyer. When the lawyer they begin to investigate this case, bro, at the end of the day, we can't find out say so many of these people when they're who, you know what they do? They just record their phone conversation, say they buy all these half price food, buy half price jeans, buy half price clothes. Communication would say, oh, that thing when I order, I don't show, blah blah blah. When you did, come make me give you your money. How much you want to sell them? Some 200 euros, some 300 euros. You know it's not a title.
Yeah, sure,
even
bro.
When they call you, even me when they call you, so I know if you say, since when I come to this country, I never take half price. Something, bro. If people pay for this town, whenever buy something half price, now few. Most of us now would use, most of our phone would buy, right? Would use. But as soon as they talk now, this group are not to say like those 20 people when they arrest say really cut these people not the inside. But I must tell you, say you get some innocent people when they say we don't follow their case.
Yeah.
We don't see say a normal phone conversation. If not be say maybe because we dey air now, I for tell you now say make I send you the phone conversation. We pay close to 900 euros to take collect this phone conversation. If person buy half price some goods from person, now you go make am be mafia, bro. Mafia case, if the one give person prison for mafia, some of them they collect 20. But when they come concern, say I buy phone from you half price, come make person become mafia. Bro, really, the guy, you know, concern me and a role. But to be frank and sincere, these people, our matter won't be Nigeria. They're not the handle and where.
At all, because now God will punish our government to keep our embassy
but
people.
sorrow, I want to ask you one question. As they know the handle and where, which people e dey their hand wey suppose dey handle am well, because wetin me get to know say our embassy, Nigeria embassy, na be our home for Europe here. Maybe if dem dey treat us bad, the way now which people get they give power, get the authority to take fight about that problem.
Then they will pay our ambassador for the 24 person.
Normally, brother, we already talk and finish. The only people when they represent us here, when we say, if one say tomorrow now, me as me you did not say we go Nigeria, we not go enter flight to Nigeria embassy. Anytime you enter that gate for Rome, where Nigeria embassy for Rome, the open gate for you enter inside that place, automatically you are in Nigeria. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Now, but these people when they represent us now, when say that the Nigeria embassy, they don't send us.
Okay.
They don't care what did happen.
Those one they go collect money to deport person safe. They sign deportation.
Okay. Sorry, I want to ask you another question. This ex-commissioner Ero, the time when he dey active as commissioner, how many times he visit prison? How many times he show concern about the people where the innocent people where they prison?
I make I like that because I say my God they punish them.
Wait, bro, I like the question when you ask me, but if you still listen waiting I talk at the first place, I say it not concern me, concern waiting a road do. But the only two things when I pick for instance when you talk, we say our people when they prison, they will keep them for 34 years, they don't give them trial.
Okay.
This thing when you talk, not lie you. I know person when you say they arrest since 2018 up to now.
I believe you. We believe what you they talk. What you they talk not true. If they happen, we know.
No, Baba, we know that everybody they listen first. We know they dispute the fact say innocent, not they there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because me know say the last job where they do for all those Radio Emilia Palmer, me know person for example, when me know say this guy, now my friend is a happy married man, is easy going guy. You understand? Not be to call the colonists. Me know, but Baba, you know what they try one debunk, eh? For year, make we they get am clear. If we they chop, may we chop. If we they forbid, may we forbid. And they debunk the fact we say if Commissioner don't want really work, because I know say get where you go cry, she go get financial support from the Edo State government. Everything must be used accordingly. Then if they send lawyer to go check all those our people so that they really they work on now, we go they know.
Yeah.
Not be situation where but they don't too use with the poor masses.
They talk for social media.
Not be situation where after they don't help and they won't start to do the work. You can't share money, give some people. They at the end of the day, people who they cry for, we know can't help them.
Bro, in the bars, what you they talk, me, I chop your matter. I like him. Unto say maybe that man just come out for prison for here. Go Nigeria.
Yeah.
He want to set up another plan. How he want to take regain himself back. Me and you know. Plus, I'm gonna say the time when he did the Italy, he don't lose so many things.
For
Maybe
real.
he won't try to regain himself back again.
No
But
be
that
that.
one will be my own big problem now. But what me I just for inside the say, this Italian police, an Italian system, my brother, he not they favor us.
That
See,
one I
our brother
confirm,
went
yeah.
die for Chizina the other day. I
Yeah.
didn't know say our brother went die for Chizina the other day. They got the to say he hang himself. Say na shower when they did the bath for petrol. Like he hang himself. My brother, we the joke. Not because our embassy don't rotty. Our embassy be like dead body when it be say.
My brother, we don't even get embassy.
Imagine they toy with us, bro. They toy with us.
You don't know how many girls Italian people don't kill for this matter. For Nigerians who they don't kill.
Imagine, at least if we feel cry out, it's okay. We be Nigerians. We not talk say we holy. We not talk say we not they commit crime. We commit crime, but
Make everybody they get their crime according to.
judge us according to the crime we commit and give us the sentence. If not 3 years, will give us not keep person for there. You know, do anything. At the end of the day, I don't go to say they not get money, but if they get money, they ship person for prison.
Thank you very much, caller. God will bless you. I really enjoy your call. Thanks for the educating, man. Other person they online. Thanks. Hello. Thanks, bro. Cause this caller, God bless you. All your day, your head, guys. We are not disputing the fact that some people, some innocent are not in the prison. No. So what we're trying to say, if we want to really help our people, let's help our people with good hearts. We don't want to make somebody can go collect from one side, can use her reach himself, can repackage a political career, can make us they suffer the game. We just get 5 minutes to go. We got other things to do, man. Hello, do your contribution. Who want us, make us?
1 minute, I beg.
1 minute, bro, I beg.
For this your work when I do, God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, boss. And you too, bros. Where you still call?
Okay. It's still that we know Italian government. They try for us. Now let me go for state to stop Italian government.
Yeah, na different opinion. They
are trying for, you understand? Any God will say they go with other people. Not to say nothing for not they but people in Italy arrest anybody. They shoot and everything. For me, I never used that the innocent for Italy to arrest them. I never used that government Italy for the arrest. You understand?
Yeah.
People just they come up, people don't frustrate, they don't have their self, their document by themselves, don't do everything, don't put the cost to government.
One light when I want throw about concerning that particular aspect, wetin me know. I know say their law here be say if anything matter don't come group case. Maybe out of the group case, for example, now mo say take instance say na 4 person the matter involved. And the 4 people, so nobody gree claim man say na him do the thing. All of them go dey there. They not go judge their case. They go leave them there. Now that one I tell no say they feel say innocent people dey prison where they not dey judge their case because na group case nobody they agree.
Yes, I understand it. So this country, we need to understand. We need to use our numbers. We need to use our sense. If you know anybody will do bad, you have to stay clear from them.
Yeah.
But as time they also go to involve us.
Yeah, that's another thing.
This country not be our country. Many things they will try for you, don't be try for Nigeria. You understand? They will come here because they do for Canada things.
Yeah.
I beg, Mona like and follow this page. I beg, Mona like and follow this page. Not be page there for the do saga. We just try one educate ourselves. Yeah, I'm not saying innocent, not they, but at least we Nigerians, some of us for our attitude is very bad. We know.
Very bad. Very, very
you
bad.
understand? But me, I don't feel say any prison they way innocent, not they. But I just still pray every innocent way they prison, God will see everybody through. I don't call it for waiting commission I wrote they do because some people they get and twisted. But I don't already know say now office all this men want set to collect money.
Health commission not get to, you not get what you want to do. Now just test what you want to do. Men not start again. That's it.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Baba, bear me cut out for that side. Call
pick this call.
For one person, they more pick this call. We just get 2 minutes left.
Hello?
Hello? Bros, good evening. Baba, respect, much respect, sir. I greet you, bros.
I want to quick drop my own experience.
Okay.
Thanks, bro.
Many people where they prison, they know they talk the truth of what they happen to them.
Okay.
Then they hide the one where government they hold, talk the one where people favor them.
Okay.
You know. Me personally, I don't know how they go. Day before yesterday, me and my wife will come out. Then I pass the other side. I want to see person for bus stop where they after where boy they stand for churches where they there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so my wife just back, me come down. As he park, one boy just rush come. Me come down, as the boy said waiting now. He said, bro, sorry, so we just didn't talk. I know the boy.
Yeah.
Me and I come the gist. Another boy just walk out come, saying he go shoot me.
Okay.
Okay.
You know, but I think for yesterday this thing happened.
Okay. See, person, who they talk now? Elderly person, now small people say one shook person.
Small picking.
Okay.
When time with me, who will they talk? So when they come abroad, I come abroad 2004.
Okay. 2004.
This person will they talk. So maybe that 2004. It's a weird, you know, the weird fight.
Yeah.
For real.
Yeah.
If I call my name, you will know who they talk by the way.
Daddy, you, I believe you.
So I don't look the guy. I see as me and my wife. No need to come and harass myself. Now I just see the guy with me and I want to see I come. Now when they break and that kind of thing. Before they break, the one we reach out in the night. My woman just try to enter online. They make something share to report.
Okay.
So when they break, they just take up go. If you come back, they tell me say, for that to do in the night.
Okay.
Honestly, me don't go. Trust me, I know what to do. I don't do everything they do. No need to come to talk now. Say maybe I didn't. But most of our boys, you know, good. And most of them, they talk truth or what you carry them.
Sure.
Laugh.
I believe that one.
In the line, like a case of Pharaoh, me know everything will happen. I know everything will happen. When you come here, 2013, which he called, people will tell time I will hear no with you.
Okay.
So not with me go Nigeria, go to try to say me in name tomorrow make it Steve commissioner or make it contest for governor or whatsoever. We know Nigeria they try to play.
For real?
Yeah.
Anybody favor the fight for. That's why name in the fight.
Yeah.
Baba God go bless you. Now you be the last call. Now this last call I won't pick.
For real.
Baba not be Torino yet. Baba not be Torino yet. Me the Baba, you don't know me. You don't see me the fight for street one day.
I know you can go back well.
Ah, Baba, God bless you. Thank you very much, sir. God bless you. God bless. That is your call now. Got pata of them all. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you guys.
Everybody.
We appreciate, man.
Yeah.
Thanks. Tomorrow now another day.
The program will continue.
Because I remember I just try day with us. We're just a minute after 11. We got things to do.
Yeah.
Have a nice day. We mean no harm. Any of our brother where they prison will be innocent. If we get any organization we fit do together to help, I did. But I don't want me one person collect money, one repackage the political strategy again. Call one office again.
Like say we be Mugu.
My brother, any ex-convict person like Bori, when he come down, when they arrest him from UK, they start to follow and happy. I weep for Nigerians. I weep for Nigerians. At the end of the day. Governor, this what be our governor, our president name
Buhari.
Buhari. Now they do what they remember and Buhari. They can't even fight the money when the UK government release. Come say say it was they say that Buhari. You understand? Because they drag the money, they're not going to even send. They're not going to even send person wake up for prison. They rearrest them again. See this one and a year and 6 months. Even you, a commissioner of art and culture, if you open my talk and say they said it's a credit card. Credit card fraud. Nigerians. I know say innocent day. When it comes to group case, some people just deny it already, they get problem. You feel your call and number say my gaffer. If they control, they will do everything together. But those ones, God will always give everybody the wisdom, the strength to pull them out of the mess. While the people will do their own crime, will face their crime. Thanks to everybody watching, and may God bless you all. Stay tuned, like this page, follow this page, share this page, and peace out.